Welcome back in Excel series. So in this video we will be learning that how we can create invoice sheet. As you can see in front of you, this is invoice sheet and we have couple of columns, and within these columns we have items and their quantities, price and total price, and after all this doing, we have added all the values. So let me create here a new sheet. As you can see, just click on this plus symbol and it will give you this. So select a couple of cells so that we can merge them. After that, right here at home tool, click on merge and center and it will merge all this. After that, I will give it a background color. Now let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so I want to write here something, so give me title my sheet. So I'll be writing here invoice sheet. Now select all this, and first thing first, let me make it bold, but let me first select all and make it bold and increase text size. After that, what I will do, I will create a couple of columns. So serial number tab. After that, let's say the items tab. After that, I will give quantity, that how many items we have. So this should be quantity tab. Let's say price tab and total price. Okay, enter. Now select all these columns and make them bold and maximize the text a bit. But I will there, as you can see, this text is disappear. So just go that column and add the C and left click and scroll down a bit. Sorry, to the right side. Scroll down to the right side and it will be like this. Now let me put something here. So I want to give a serial number to each item. So let me just type 1, enter, and 2. After that, I don't need to type manually each serial number for each column. So I'll simply select this 2. The other thing will automatically detect Excel. So after selecting these 2 columns, then just hover your cursor on this corner, and the moment you will hover, it will give a plus sign. After that, the plus sign, okay, let me give it plus. Just click right, left and scroll down. Click left and scroll down and it will give you automatically detect, and it will automatically count all the values. So let's say for the sake of tutorial, we have 6 serial number for each item. Now let me give the name to my item. So let's say sugar, enter, tea, enter, forms. Let's say this is our shop, and in which we are going to create an invoice sheet for that shop. And let's say rice, wheat, and at the end, let's say ghee. Okay. Now we have this item's name: sugar, tea, forms, rice, wheat, ghee. Now how many items do you have in your shop? So let's mention the quantity for item sugar. So let's say we have 10 bags of sugar, and let's say 20 packets of tea, or 30. Let's say we have 45 quantity for forms, and let's say we have 32 bags for rice, and for wheat let's say 20, and for ghee let's say we have 40 tins. Okay, now let's give a price. Now we have sugar, we have 10 bags of sugar. Now each bag must be a price. So let's say that each bag has 3000 price, and each packet of tea has, let's say, 300 price, and forms, let's say, 44,000. For each form price has 44,000. Okay, now let's say rice 34,000 for each packet, for each bag, and wheat let's say 3,000. Okay, sugar, let's change me the sugar because this will be too much. Let's say 2,000. And for ghee let's say 2,500 price for each tin. So these are the price for a single piece of this item. Now we have 10 sugar, and each bag of each sugar has a 2,000 price. Now what I want the total price right here. So very simple. First thing first, select that cell that you want to calculate all the price here. So after that, you have to press here equal. After equal, select the price cell. The moment you select it, it will give you D4, because we have currently working at D column. This is D column and row 4, so it will give you D4. Now what I want total price of 10 bags, so I will simply multiply this 2000 for each bag with all the quantity, with all the bags. After that it will give you C4 because we currently working on in a C column, and fourth row. After that just enter and it will give you 20,000 because 2000 into 10 will be 20,000. Now what I will do for the other, because we have 30 packets and each packet has 300 price for tea, so I don't need to do the same formula again and again because Excel will do everything automatically. Just select this set that you have calculated. After that, hover your mouse at the corner. The moment you will hover it, it will give you this plus symbol. Now just click left and scroll down and it will calculate automatically all the values. Now what I want to add all this because I want the final result for my shop. So I want to add all these values and mention them right here. So I will select all, and after that right here auto sum, just click on that and it will automatically give the final result, the final calculation, addition. After adding all these values, you don't need to type manually, but you can use the other method manually. If you want to type manually, then select that cell. After that equal symbol, press equal symbol and go to select the first cell of your total price. After that shift plus, select the other one, shift plus, select the other cell that you want to add, shift plus the other cell that you want to add, shift plus the other cell that you want to add, and finally just enter and it will give you the same result. So you can add by using automatic sum, auto sum, or manually you can use the formula after adding each cell with each one. So it was a short video in which we have learned that how we can create invoice sheet for any shop. So I hope that you like this video. If you like, then subscribe my channel Coding World and like this video. So see you in the next video.